Okay, just want to show you the packages I received for my car. These are the brake kits from Wilwood, and I am going to be opening them up and I'll show you what's inside. What all comes in this package. So, let's see here. See that? The instruction sheet. Everything comes in neatly packaged. Brake pads. Put this here. This is the hub assembly for it. Cool. Put this down. The other side. Alright. Put it down. And then what's in here, this looks like it is the bolt kit, socket kit, bearing kits. There's the bearings there. Got the bearings here, so when you're assembling them front and back. Bolt kit for the bracket. Oh, this is a pretty nice setup. What you get here from Wilwood, actually really nice. And that kit there, so everything comes together. So I mean, this is really nicely packaged. So we got that. Put this aside, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, that's the motor or caliper. Sorry. This is the other caliper. I'm not going to take it out of the package yet because I'm going to run out of video. This is the brake caliper bracket. Got a couple of these. I'm going to spread them all out, so I'll show you when I spread them all out. And then this right here. Where's that knife? There it is. This is the rotor. Slotted. Take it out. Slotted and vented. Black. Slotted. Vented. Really nice setup. Really impressed. And it's lightweight too. So I'm going to lay this all out, and then I'll turn the camera back on and I'll show you everything. I decided to give you a little breakdown of just the front end kit that I bought. So I'm gonna turn you around and we'll go over everything step by step, and hopefully this will help you when you're doing your build. Please leave a comment if you like. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Alright, I'm gonna try to make this a short video, probably 2 minutes long. I want to show you what I got in the Wilwood front brake kit. Everything comes in pre-packaged, really nice labeling. Here is the instruction sheet that comes with it. So there's the part number right there, if that's the same part that you are purchasing. And here's an exploded view of everything that you need and everything that comes in the kit. So if you have any questions, this pretty much breaks it all down for you. Here's the exploded view, and it gives you all the part numbers here, and it's very, very detailed in your explanation. I had one question, and my question was the brake caliper fastening kit right here. It says it's a 12.88-14, and if you look here, that says 13-inch, and that one is 13-inch. So my question was, let me find out why it's doing that, and it's universal for the 12.88. The only difference is that this stud in here is actually longer if you get a different size kit. So for the 12.88, it works. This is what we need. So everything's here. Here's some washers, and you know, everything's really nice and detailed. That's what I wanted to show you guys. So really nice numbers on the seals, so you could reorder them if you need, if they wear out and they leak, or for any situation that you may have. Here's the bolt kits. Just wanted to show you the numbers. Bearing hub. It doesn't to me look like these bearings are packed, so I'm assuming that you will have to pack them because they're just loose bearings and you don't want to burn them up, so you will have to pack your own bearings on that. I didn't read anything in the instructions, unless I didn't get to that part yet in the instructions, but I just wanted to show you everything here that comes in the kit. Here are the calipers. I didn't open them up yet. These are the hubs, really nice hubs. So I mean, really nice the way they ship them to you. It's super cool. Here is the brakes, the other rotor, and just so you know, there are a left and a right rotor. So you can see the arrow here, tells you which way it's going to rotate when you do it, and then the arrow is here. So when you get the kit, let me show you here. See, there's a number under the packaging here, right there. This would be the one side. The other rotor did not come with a label, so I'm assuming that's the other side. But with the arrow, this would be the driver's side, because it would go like this. So there's the arrow. So this would be the driver's side, which would be the left-hand side. And this rotor, because the arrow's here, would be the actual passenger side. So in case anyone is wondering how that works, if you have any questions, this is the whole kit. It's a really nice setup. I did not buy it through Wilwood. I bought it through another company, but this is the Wilwood brake kit. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, let me know. Please like, share, and subscribe.